Welcome to Our Math. Today I'm doing a series of videos on interest rates and finance. So in this one, we want to know what interest rate enables somebody to get 50% increase in 5 years. So there aren't a lot of numbers here except the 50% in 5 years, and we want to know the rate. So compounded quarterly, we have this too. So we're going to use our compounding formula, A equals P, 1 plus R over N to the NT. And the thing is, if I invest $1, or I invest $100, or I invest $1,000, the time it takes to increase by 50% is going to be the same, because every $1 has to grow to $1.50 in that time. So I can just say, hey, let's invest $1, so that I need $1.50 at the end of 5 years. When I invested $1, I don't know my rate. That's what I'm looking for. I do know that it's compounded quarterly, and it's 4 years. So 4 times 5, because it's compounded 4 times a year for 5 years, which means we're gonna be earning interest on our interest 20 times. Okay, so I don't need to divide by 1 because 1 times anything is itself. Anything divided by 1 is itself. But I do need to unwrap this set of parentheses. I'm not going to distribute this 20 in because there's a plus sign, and that gets into polynomial expansion, and that's just going to be a nightmare. What I can do is I can take the 20th root of both sides, because the inverse of an exponent is a radical. Now, I'm going to write this as the 20th root for now, and you could enter it that way into your calculator. Or you could enter the 20th root of 1.5, or you could say 1.5 to the power of 1 divided by 20. A fractional exponent is the same as a radical. I tend to do this one because usually there's a bunch of stuff on my calculator, and just doing power of is a lot simpler. And if you have a calculator that bumps you up to a little box in the exponent position, you don't even need those parentheses. Okay, so when I do the 20th root, I get 1.02048. It goes on. That's probably enough to write down. Just don't clear your calculator display. Keep on using the numbers you have progressively. This equals 1 plus R over 4. I'm going to subtract 1 so that I have 0.02048 equals R divided by 4. And then I'm going to take both sides and multiply by 4, flip this around so that I have the rate equaling 0.08192. All right, so if I multiply by 100 to get it to a percent, round to 1 decimal place, I get that the rate is 8.2%. Awesome. All right, hope you've enjoyed this video. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, like my Facebook page, like my videos, and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks.